Birmingham Children's Hospital, a historic landmark, is gearing up for a major transformation. Recent proposals shed light on a comprehensive upgrade which includes the construction of an MRI Suite, spanking new operating theaters, and a revamped entrance. But these plans don't come without their fair share of controversy. With the hospital being a part of the Steelhouse Conservation Area, there's a tug-of-war between the need for modern medical facilities and the preservation of its Victorian charm. From replacing windows to introducing a heat pump system, the changes seem vast. An extended R block is poised to be a key feature, with its 3 stories offering state-of-the-art theaters, MRI suites, recovery wards, and even cancer services. Adjacent to the main entrance on Steelhouse Lane, there's a vision for a brand new S block, complete with play zones, a cafe, and an observation deck. In the words of the application to Birmingham City Council, the current hospital lacks a sense of arrival, leaving families without a waiting or play space. However, the Victorian Society has voiced concerns. While they agree with demolishing the current entrance, they feel the proposed changes might overshadow the building's historical essence. They pointed out that elements like glazed walls and wooden columns seem completely alien to the building's iconic flame-colored walls. Historic England calls for a better blend of the old and the new, emphasizing the importance of preserving the distinct red brick facade. Birmingham Civic Society, on the other hand, points out the challenge of integrating previously approved modern parts. The fate of Birmingham Children's Hospital now rests in the balance of challenge to harmonize the demands of cutting-edge medical care with the echoes of its storied past.